Excellent connection. All right. Yes, yes, yes. We are good. We are good. Let's backtest for 30 minutes before we start trading. Today, we are backtesting GBP USD. We will start last month. We are going to backtest last month. And we'll see how last month was. GBP USD, and we are starting at 9:30. Yes. So we are starting on March, week 1. We have 9:15 to 9:30. We go to the 5 minutes. Right off the bat, I am very bullish. I'm very bullish. We have this nice move to the upside. We might be getting a pump and dump. Who knows? 9:30 opens. It's a pin, a failed breakout, and then that is not a breakout. Okay. Okay. Well, we are consolidating now. All right, after news, we are consolidating. Okay, now we can buy. Our stop loss is below that candle. What? So we need to go 10K. Okay, we buy again. Yes, at least that is something we can play with. 14, we are going for 28. So let's see how trade number 1 plays out. First trade, we get cooked, but we also get a reversal signal, so we sell. Stop loss 5, we are going for 10. So let's see how this one plays out. We get stopped out trade number 2. And let's see if we get another setup before time is up. Time is up, we move on to the next day. (8:45, 9, 9:15 to 9:30, 5-minute time frame. And right off the bat, I am very bearish. So let's see how 9:30 opens. 9:30 opens as a bearish candle. I want to see that confirmation. Yes, we get that confirmation. We sell. Stop loss above that candle, 7. So we are going for 14. All right. So let's see how this one plays out. Oh, we almost get stopped out there. Okay. It looks like we are going to get cooked here. Consolidating. Now we exit our position there. I am going to up my stakes. This is too small. All right. So we buy. Stop loss. Yes, now I like this. That is 34, so we are going for 60. Yeah, 70 is not bad. Let's see. All right, so that is trade number 2 is a winner. So we can wait for trade number 3 if there is a trade number 3. Yes, we buy again. Stop loss below that candle, 99. We are going for 200. So let's see how this one plays out. Okay, weakness. It's not looking good. Not looking good at all. Oh, nice. At this point, I'll move my stops to break even. Yes, we exit our position. Last trade, we move on to the next day. (7:45, 8, 8:45, 9, 9:15 to 9:30. We go to the 5 minutes. Right off the bat, I'm very bullish. So let's see how 930 opens. 930 opens as a bullish candle. We buy, stop loss below that candle. That's 90, 100. We are going for 200. So let's see how this one plays out. Okay. Weakness, reversal. We cut our losses there and sell. So stop loss above that candle, 68, we are going for 120 there. So let's see. We get stopped out trade number 2. So news, nothing. Yes, we sell now trade number 3. Stop loss above that candle, 85. So we are going, that's 90, 180. All right, let's see how this one plays out. We get stopped out. We move on to the next day. So when you get chopped out, rather than revenge trade, just go to the next day. You know, try your luck the next day. You don't have to make all your money in one day. This is a game of consistency. So 9:15 to 9:30, 5 minutes. Right off the bat, I am very bearish. So let's see how 9:30 opens. 9:30 is a bullish candle. And then boom, we get our buy signal. Stop loss below that candle, 94. So we are going for 200 there. So let's see. Right off the bat, we can move our stops below this breakout candle. We can move our stops to break even. Weakness. Okay. Nice. Trade number 1. We are waiting for trade number 2, which is a sell. Stop loss above that candle, 100. We are going for 200. Let's see. Nice. We move our stops to break even. Weakness. We exit trade number 2. This is our trade number 3. We buy. Stop loss below that candle, 70. We are going for 140, 150 there. Let's see. We get stopped out. We move on to the next day. So we are at 7, so we need to go up to 8, 9:30. 9:15 to 9:30. We go to the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes, I'm very bullish right now. So let's see how 9:30 opens. 9:30 opens as a breakout. We need that confirmation. Nope. Yes, we sell. We have our sell signal there. Stop loss above that candle, 73. We are going for 150. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. We get stopped out trade number 1. We buy trade number 2. Stop loss below that candle, 66. We are going for 130. Let's see. Stopped out trade number 2. Trade number 3, we sell. Stop loss is above that candle, 38. We are going for 70. That is a winner. We move on to the next day. Nine to 9:15, 9:15 to 9:30, we go to the 5 minutes. Right off the bat, I'm very bullish. So let's see how 9:30 opens. 930 opens as a sell signal, so we have 40, we are going for 80. Let's see. We get stopped out trade number 1. We sell again, no nonsense. That's 100, we are going for 200. Let's see. Okay. Weakness. Nice. We move our stops to break even here. Weakness. Weakness. Nice. We hit TP. That is trade number 2. Maybe we'll get trade number 3. Yes, trade number 3 we can sell again. Stop loss above that candle, 32. We are going for 64 there. Let's see. Okay. Get stopped out. So we move on to the next day. If you're just joining us, we are backtesting first. We are practicing before market opens, so that when the market opens, it's something that we have already done. It's not something new. If you're not practicing, you are doing yourself a disservice. So where is 930? So right off the bat, I'm very bearish because of this strong move. Let's see how 930 opens. 930 opens as an inside candle, then we have our breakout. And then boom, we can buy. Stop loss below that candle, that's 100, we are going for 200. Okay, let's see. We get stopped out. And this is our third trade. So we get stopped out here. So we sell. Stop loss above that candle, trade number 3, 89, 90, we are going for about 200 there, 180. So let's see. Okay. 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 Weakness. Weakness. Let's see. At this point, I'm comfortable moving my stops to break even. So we are consolidating. This is weakness. We can close our positions here. We move on to the next day. So this strategy is all about sniper exits. You get in, you get out quickly. No nonsense. 8:45, 9, 9:15. We go to the 5 minutes. And right off the bat, we are consolidating. All right. So let's see how 930 opens. There's a high probability we might go to clear this high of this pin. So let's see. First, we get a sell signal. So our stop loss above that candle, 70, we are going for 140. So let's see how this one plays out. At this point, I'll move my stops to break even. Trade number 1 is a winner. We wait for trade number 2. So we have our liquidity sweep there. Consolidating. Come on. Come on. Yes, trade number 2, we can sell. Stop loss above that candle, 46, we are going for 92, not bad. Let's see. We get stopped out trade number 2, 10:40, we still have some few minutes before our time is up. Yes, we can buy trade number 3. Stop loss below that candle, 57, 60, 120. We can move our stops to break even. Boom! Wait, it did not hit our TP. Nice. Boom. And as I said, there is a high probability we'll go to this area. Let's see. Okay, anyway. We move on. We still have 15 minutes left before the market opens, so we can still continue playing. By the way, backtesting is the only way you can remove all the fears that you have in your trading. So learn a strategy and then backtest it like crazy. Have fun with it. So we have 920, 925. I'm very bearish. Let's see how 930 opens. 930 opens as a failed breakout, and then we get our buy signal. Stop loss below that candle. 26, we are going for 50. So let's see how this one plays out. Boom, trade number 1 is a winner. Let's wait for our reversal or a continuation, who knows. We can buy again. Stop loss below that candle, 105, we are going for 210. Let's see. Okay. Not good. At this point, I'll move my stops below this breakout candle. Low risk. Okay, at this point, I can move my stops comfortably to break even. All right. Okay. Boom, we get stopped out, but we get our sell signal. Stop loss above that candle, 38. We are going for 780. So let's see. Trade number 3. It's not looking good. Boom, we get stopped out. We move on to the next day. So where is 9? That is 9 to 9:15, 9:15 to 9:30. We go to the 5 minutes. And we are consolidating, but I'm very bearish. So let's see how price opens at 9:30. 9:30 opens as a failed breakout. We have our breakout there. No confirmation. We are just consolidating. We have news at 10, so we wait for that. News, nothing. We have our breakout to the upside. Nothing. Yes, now we can sell. Stop loss is below that candle, above that candle. 70, we are going for 140. So let's see how this one plays out. Right off the bat, ooh, nice. We survived that one. Ooh, nice. We can move to break even. Will it hit TP? Or will we get a reversal? Okay. Ooh, not good. In fact, at this point, I will move my stops there and secure some profits. Yep. We get out with a small profit. Time is up. We move on to the next day. Welcome, 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 everybody. Tell us, come on, we've overshot this one. So 9:15 to 9:30, we go to the 5 minute. Right off the bat, where is 9:30? That's 9:10, 9:15. Okay, 9:30 opens as a bullish bear breakout candle. We need that confirmation. No confirmation yet. We need that confirmation. No confirmation yet. Yes, now we can sell. We have our sell confirmation. Stop loss is above that candle. 70, we are going for 140. Let's see how this one plays out. Okay. Not looking good. Okay. Okay. Not looking good at all. We are not looking good. We are not looking good. We exit our position there and we take a buy. Stop loss below that candle. 40, we are going for 80. Let's see how this one plays out. Okay, nice. Nice, we move our stops to break even. We get stop loss at break even, we move on to the next day. We have 9:15 to 9:30. We go to the 5 minute. Now, we are consolidating. So let's see how 9:30 opens. 9:30 opens as a sell signal. So we have our stop loss above that candle, 55. We are going for 110 or 100. Let's see. Yes, at this point, I'll move my stops above this breakout candle. Ah, nice. We hit our first trade as a winner. We move on to, we wait for trade number 2. Trade number 2, we buy. Stop loss is below that candle. 53, we are going for 100 or 106. Let's see how trade number 2 plays out. Not looking good. Ooh, nice, we survived. What? We move our stops to break even. Look at that, just one single pip away. Now, if we did not take our profit, we might be cooked at break even. Well, we were cooked at break even. So anyway, in real life, backtesting is different from real life. Real life, we take profits off the table. All right, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, 9, 9:15 to 9:30. We go to the 5 minutes. And right off the bat, I'm very bearish. So let's see how 9:30 opens. 9:30 gives us a buy signal. So we might be seeing a reversal. 48, we are going for 100. So let's see how this one plays out. Okay, weakness. Oh, okay, strength. Weakness, weakness. Ooh, nice. At this point, I'll move my stops below this candle. Let's see if it stops us out. At this point, we move our stops to break even. Weakness. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Weakness. Nice. Boom! That's what we are talking about. Yeah, man. Now we wait for our second trade. If we will get a second trade. Yes, we can sell now. Stop loss is below, above that candle. That is 76. We are going for 150. Okay, let's see how this one plays out. Ooh, weakness right off the bat. This is not good. Okay. We might be surviving this, or we get out with a small loss. We exit our position. So let's see what you guys are saying. So if you are just joining us, welcome, 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 welcome. Prepare yourself, because in the next 5 minutes, we will be taking our trades, or we will be preparing ourselves to take our trades. So how much are you willing to lose today? You must know how much you're willing to lose today. Then, How many trades are you willing to take? So overall, you just look at how much are you willing to risk per trade and how many trades are you willing to take. So cumulatively, that needs to be your whole risk for the day. You cannot risk more than you are willing to lose per day. So let's look at our performance. This is the best part about backtesting. You can look at your performance and see how you would perform in live markets. You can see we started off with a bit of drawdown, then we went back up, we came back to a bit of drawdown, and then boom, we just went up. So let's look at total trades. We have 33 trades in total. Profitable trades were 42%. Let's look at the performance. Trade analysis. Total trades open 33, long 15, short 18. And then winning trades were 14, losing trades were 17. However, we are still profitable. So this is something that will help you to actually be comfortable with the losses. Because again, these are just what we call expenses. You have to go through the losses in order for you to catch the winners. And then the winners are bigger than the losses. It's as simple as that. That is the business we are in. Let's look at risk performance. I don't know what these are. Then list of trades. You can see 48, 100, 150. Like, we have big winners, small losses. Big winners, small losses. Big winners, small losses. This is how you pass prop firms. By the way, this is the only way you pass prop firms. Big winners, small losses. So we have about 3 minutes left before the market opens. So let's prepare. Today, I am looking to pass this account. It's at 5,150. I need an extra $150 to pass this account. You know, we are in the business of passing accounts and getting payouts. So let's pass this account. US 30. So let's look at US 30. We are consolidating. Okay, US 30. Well, I won't focus. In fact, let me delete all this. I'll just focus on US 100. Okay, so right off the bat, I am bearish. So if this candle closes bearish, there's a high chance that we will be taking a 930 trade once it breaks this low. But if we don't close as a breakout to the downside, this is weakness. Failed breakouts signal reversals. What's the narrative on the 15-minute time frame? If we close like this is very good. This is a reversal. So how about on the 3 minutes? On the 3 minutes, we are struggling to go down. All right. So let's stick on the 5 minutes. And you can see, by the way, you can see how price is being pushed up. Price is being pushed up. So it means that we have buyers actively pushing the market. So it would be very stupid to sell right now. You'd just be giving away money for free. All right. So if you're just joining us, tell us where you're coming from, how much you are willing to lose today, or how much you've already lost in NFP. NFP that was not really NFP. It did not NFP today. Okay, so I'm going to prepare myself because we have a high chance here of selling. So I'm going to create a new order here. I am going to use 0.05. So, So if we break to the downside, I'm selling. Oh, I'm not selling. We did not have a breakout. Now, these two candles here, if you look at the 15-minute time frame, these two candles are telling us that we are about to reverse and we are in a nice downtrend. So if we break to the downside, I'm definitely selling. I'm definitely selling. Let's wait and see how the market closes. The candle closes. You know you were gonna leave me empty. How could you stay like that? Stay. I'm not here. All I needed was. So try me once, love me back again. I said, try me once. I'm breaking down, say you come back. Wish I never let you hurt me. Did you like it? So try me once, love me back again. Try me once. Say you come back, you know me now. Wish I never let you hurt me. Did you lie? No. No. Less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. We break out. We need to close below this red line. We need to close below this red line. Prepare, 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 prepare. Prepare, prepare. So try me once, burn me back again. I say, try me once. Say you come back, you know me now. Wish I never let you. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bearish candle. Bullish. All right. So we have about 10 minutes left. Say you come back, you know me now. Wish I never let you. Hurt me, did you no, no. So now we need price to either break above or below, like that. If we still close below this red line, we sell. We have our sell confirmation signal. Hurt me, did you like it? How could you stay like that? I'm not here. So all I needed was so try me once, burn me back again. I say. I'm begging now, say you come back, you know me now. Wish I never let you. Let's see what's happening on the 3 minute. All right, if we close bearish, we sell. Burn me back again, I say. Try me once. I'm begging now, say you come back, you know me now. Wish I never let you. Hurt me, did you All right, less than 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Okay, 27, 26, 25, less than 20 seconds. 17, 16. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How did we close? That is a breakout. I am selling. So trade number 1 is a sell. Trade number 1 is a sell. Okay, so we put our entry there. Stop loss, I will put it at 18,000. 1:2. We are going up to 17,800. So stop loss is at 18,000. Wait, I just sold Bitcoin. Look at me. I need to do NDX. .05 sell. This is NDX. All right. So 18,000 is stop loss. And then we are targeting 17,800. Okay, so let's see how this one plays out. Anybody in? Anybody in? Anybody in? If you are in, give us a thumbs up or something. Let us know. What's the narrative on the 5 minute? 15? Yes. So I will still stay here on the 3 minute. 50, 49. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Okay, so this is another opportunity here. Stop loss is at 17,975. Okay, so let's see how this one plays out. We've already sold, we've already sold, we've already sold. We are waiting to see how this one plays out. So US 100, it's a sell, it's a sell. If you are still thinking it's a sell, it's a sell. But we just have to wait and see how this one plays out. Ooh, it's not looking good. So let's see 5 minutes. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. If you have not taken this trade, this is your opportunity to sell. 2, 1, boom. That's now the 5-minute confirmation. So 1:2. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. We might be wrong. We might be cooked. Who knows? Oh, this is not looking good. Okay. Will we survive? Will we survive? Will we survive? I don't think so. I don't think we'll survive this one. If we get stopped out, we wait for trade number 2. Okay, so trade number 1, we are cooked. Okay, so trade number 1, I'm out. I'm out, I'm out, I'm out. So we wait for trade number 2. We wait for trade number 2. We still have time. In fact, okay. Trade number 2 is waiting for us. How could you stay like that? Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. come back in on me now. Wish I never let you. Say you come back in on me now. Wish I never let you. I needed you like that. All right, 22, 21, 19, less than 10 seconds. If we close above, we buy. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No breakout. All I needed was try me once, buy me back again. I said, try me once. Say you come back in on me now. Wish I never let you. I needed you like so try me once, buy me back again. I said, try me once. Say you come back in on me now. Wish I never let you. I needed you like that. Okay, so we are breaking out. If we close above, we buy. Trade number two. Trade number two, no nonsense. $18, $17, $16, $15. All right, create new order. We are doing 0.03. 5, 4, what's the narrative on the 5 minutes? Okay, no breakout. We can still play the 5 minutes. If it closes above, we buy. So what's the 5 minutes saying? So we have our failed breakout that has changed character, meaning in the next 5 minutes, we might be seeing a good reversal, and then we sell. Okay, so we have our new high, our new low. So we want to see price breaking below that red candle. So what's the narrative on the 5 minutes? So why will you run their ropes? Can I be to hold him out? Let me care of you, my dear. You're my fantasy. I'll make believe young until it goes down till it all comes until All right, we are breaking out, but still, we need that confirmation. So we need to be patient. We need to be patient. All right, so let me see what you guys are saying. We have AD, welcome. Valentine, welcome. Jonathan, welcome. Solomon, karibu sana, welcome, welcome. We have JM, karibu. East Kings, it's been a while since we talked, but welcome. Less than 30 seconds. Exactly where you wanna be. Let me make believe. We can bring it all up. I won't let you go. Oh, 'cause I believe in you. I believe in you. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bullish. So we need to wait for that 10 a.m. candle to close. I believe in you. By still have 1 hour left. 1 hour left. 1 hour left. Come on, so we are consolidating. So what's the story on the 5 minutes? Same thing. Story on the 15? Nothing. We are still bearish. All right. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bearish candle. Break to the downside now. Oh, I feel my death, you're my fantasy. Even when you're really not sure exactly where you want to be. Let me make it now. I'll be your love. I won't let you go. Oh, 'cause I believe in you. No 15 minutes or big breakout yet. Well, we are consolidating, so I don't like consolidating markets, realistically speaking. I'm breathing you. This is nonsense. Less than 1 minute remaining. Breakout, man. Yes, this is what I want to see. 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 12, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Trade number 2, we sell. Stop loss is 18,040. loss is 18,040. 18,040. Okay. Okay, so if stop loss is 18,040, then we are targeting a 1:2, which is about 17,800. So trade number 2, let's see how it plays out. As usual, US 100, we have just sold, live. So let's see how this one plays out. Thirty-six, 35, 34, 33, less than 30 seconds. Once we close as a bearish candle, you can move your stops to 17,978 there. Okay. 17,978. So what's the narrative on the 5 minutes? It's looking nice. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, nice. So don't misbehave. Don't misbehave, US 100. Don't misbehave. So I will be closing my positions Friday, Friday, Friday. Woo-hoo-hoo. I accept. Yes, accept. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Anybody, everybody, everybody, we are nice. So guys, I will see you on Monday. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.